Okay, so I've narrowed it down to the sensor not getting cooled. Stirling pump that's filled with helium somehow, and that normally would cool the sensor down to negative 333 Fahrenheit or 70 Kelvin. So this tank, or this vessel here, is what held the helium. This is the camera scanner, and I'm going to try and attempt to refill this. So right now I'm just learning how these vacuum systems, high pressure system valves are made. It actually looks like a screw-on valve, so that makes it easy. And then I think the center of that is indium, and so it's, I don't know if it's reusable, but it's at least something I could fill it with, or put a different fitting on there. So let's see what's in here. This is a scanning tube sensor, I think. Oh wait, no. Yeah, that's right. So the image comes in through here, down into here, and so that must be the sensor right in that glass tube, and then that would be part of the Stirling pump, I think. What's this made out of? Looks like cast aluminum. No, actually that's machined, I think. Oh no, it definitely is cast, but it threw me off. So yeah, let's see what size that is. J-1 J-14 or 16? Oh, 1/8, okay. And so how do I get the helium into that? I hook up a copper pipe or something to that valve, and then over here I have a high pressure vacuum pump from a refrigerator that should work for removing all the contents in the vessel that's currently in there, and then filling it with just helium. It has to be a super high purity. Party Depot helium, I guess, is not pure enough, so I have to figure out where I can find a little bit of that. And that's pretty much it. It seems a lot simpler once I figured out what needed to be done. It's very similar to any refrigeration system or air conditioner. It's just helium instead of R13 or R134 or something else. Helium gets a lot colder. That's why it's using helium and not something like a refrigerator for your food. Uses something that only gets down to, I think, negative 20 degrees at the coldest. Where this uses helium. Helium can operate at a much colder temperature. It can cool at much colder temperature. So that's it for now. This thing is neat inside. There's like 10 boards in there. Do I still have the screws unscrewed? Yeah, I'll take a video of that another time.